the boy found an unknown creature by the sea. The creature was in terrible condition, so the boy placed it in a water bottle. It immediately regained its vitality and looked beautiful. Encountering more of them, the boy decided to release them back into the ocean. Immediately after, he was rushed to the hospital feeling unwell, waiting for treatment in the hospital bed. Fortunately, it was nothing serious. It seems that getting intimate with wild creatures can be very dangerous.